Hi there and welcome to the Icon of Spaces 2016.
It's a great experience to be here in Singapore, especially Singapore, because this is an international forum and Berg Design Awards has basically showcased our fantastic projects, and I consider this as a great marketing tool.
It's been great. It's very happy to see that a lot of qualified developers are here with us, and very happy that we are being recognized as one of the winners.
But this award has given us a breather and made us more happy about this project and what we worked for. It shows that our vision was really true and right on that project that way.
Actually, it's an honor to have been felicitated by the Icons of Space Berg Awards. I was on my holiday when I read the mail that y'all have been shortlisted for the Unbuilt project, and it was a very happy moment.
Very happy, and we are very privileged to be here in the Berg Icons of Spaces, and it's a nice forum where we can meet the icons of icons from the different places. So thank you so much.
We've had the privilege of winning 2 awards this evening. One is the Capitol Complex won an award for the Best Institutional Project, and the other is the Lifetime Achievement Award that I received on behalf of my father, Mr. Uttam Jain.
Well, fantastic awards. Now tell us, how are you feeling after tonight?
Extremely excited. It's an honor to be here in Singapore with everybody, and I think it's very important that the profession be recognized and the work that architects do is also honored in platforms like this.
Best part of this evening was we had all kinds of professionals, architects, consultants, builders under one roof, and everybody has seen us getting this award. So it's a kind of recognition to companies which are generally not known.
I think it's an incredible evening where we saw virtually the whole industry coming together, not only from Singapore but actually from entire Asia and Southeast Asia. And it's a great place and a great platform to recognize the most upcoming talents across the sphere of infrastructure, real estate, architects and design. I think one of the most credible and a neutral platform for the industry.
After coming here, I realized I missed so much the first 2 years. It's so important recognizing developers, and this time, for the very first time, they have recognized architects. It's a growing industry, property development, and icons of this space need to be recognized, and this show was truly outstanding.
Very good and exciting evening for us. It's a good platform from Berg. For my side, as a young achiever, it's a good platform, international platform for us to encourage all the things.
For providing us such an excellent platform for us to show our capabilities and expertise at global level. Really thanks to especially to Mr. Vishwesh and Mr. Ram to provide this such a beautiful platform to us.
It's a very good feeling for me to receive such an award, and for a local Thai to come here in Singapore in the international Southeast Asia market to receive this award is a big thing for me.
And we are very happy that Berg has really did a great job, and this award is definitely going to help us in a big way, and this is a big recognition which we got.
When it comes to recognizing architecture, real estate and construction industry, which is sound as something unique, because I never know about any other forum which really integrate all these three things, because I believe that construction, a constructed building or a constructed infrastructure is a product at the end, but there are things before that. We start from the policy to, I mean, before that is vision to policy to planning into reinterpreting in the context, and then only architecture comes. So I am so glad that you have find out all these spectrums in sequence.
We try to improve the basic philosophy in which we believe is improve little by little every day, and this is our motto, and we will constantly try to bring path-breaking projects in the future. And our sincere thanks to the Berg International team and the jury members. Thank you all.
I'm extremely glad to be part of the Berg event in Singapore. We are generally part of the engineering sector, and as per Asia Outlook, we see huge potential over the next decade in the construction and the infrastructure industry. And here we are partnering with Berg Singapore to promote ourselves, and we look forward to all stakeholders to associate with us so that we can help you build a better world. These are exciting times for the construction industry, and we are glad to be part of it. Thank you, Berg and Singapore, for everything.
Every year we have some different new activity which has been added. Like this year we had the tour of BCA, and I think it's a great platform where various professionals like architects, interior designers and developers are getting recognized, and they are meeting over networking across India at a location which is very exciting and a very ideal city to have it, which is Singapore.